What's going on, everybody? Nick here. We're back with another video. It's probably been 3 months or so since I've posted my last video. We're back. Show season is finally around the corner. This Sunday, we're going to be posting a vlog going to Vorge Society in New Jersey. This is what the car looks like right now. I'm just going to be putting some stuff on. I thought it would be good to update everybody and fill everybody in. So this is pretty much what the car looks like right now. I have a front plate delete right there, or people like to call it the bumper exit delete. Front lip broke right off. I don't know if I've told you guys about the Wrx. We're obviously on bags, so we have 3 pieces. This is the ride height right now. This isn't even all the way aired out. The ride height's pretty good. We're also at like -10 when it airs out, so as you can see, the front and the rear, it's got some camber. Some new stuff. I mean, paint match front lip, paint match grille, paint matched headlights, pretty fire. Sea light dial dynamics, probably the best. Paint match side skirts, those are disgusting looking. All right, and here we go. We're gonna show you guys the new taillights that we got for the WRX. Here they are. Paint matched, crystal white pearl, exact paint code. Custom made by clear.co on Instagram. If you guys need anything, hit me up on Instagram and I'll shoot them your way. I got my clears made by him, and now these are the white paint match version. Obviously way better, clearly aftermarket. Yeah, these are insane. As you can tell, I'm rocking the stocks right now. These are gonna be a huge upgrade. Crazy. All right, let's get them on the car. All right, guys, I just took the taillights out, both of them, put them side by side. They look phenomenal. Super excited to put these on. So what you're gonna do first, you're gonna go in the trunk. You're gonna find this. You're gonna take out the 2 clips. Should be one here, should be one up here. I took them both out already. Pull it down. I mean, I'm just doing this the fast way. I already loosened these all the way up. So what you're gonna do is pop 1, pop 2, pop 3. You're gonna stand out here from the inside. I got my arm on the inside. You're gonna push it out. There's gonna be a clip right here, which you're gonna wanna pop out first. As you can tell, I just pulled it by that, and here they come. Boom, out like that, stock, out. Let me get one on and fill you back in 2 seconds. All right, I just got one in, so all you gotta do is, once you pull that back out, just wire everything back up. I'm gonna tuck that in there nice once this is over, but I just wanted to show you guys the fitment up top. I'm gonna fix that up off camera, but this is pretty much what they look like. Super clean. Let me go turn the lights on. And then let's do the blinker. It's not even gonna work because the car is not moving. That was actually kind of funny. Let me just see if I could unlock the car and see. Yeah. Super sick. I also wanted to fill you guys in on some other stuff that I've done. So I'm officially now stage 2. Full J-pipe, catted, fully pro-tuned. I also got some weather mats. Super messy back here, but some weather mats for the front and the back. Super clean. I love how they look. If anybody's got any questions, just hit me up on Instagram. I'll be sure to tell you guys. Let me get this other one on, but This is what it looks like from the back so far. Super clean. All right, guys, I'll catch you in a second. Guys, here they are fully installed on the car. They look phenomenal. The perfect paint match is just ridiculous. They look so good. Insane. But all right, guys, if you have any questions, anything, hit me up on Instagram. It's the same as my license plate. I'll put you on to the guy who makes the clear tails. They come out amazing. He's a really good guy. Does great work. Next video is going to be up probably next week, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday-ish. Driving video and a video of me going to the car show. It's probably going to be raining, but I mean, we'll see. The weather changes. I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you in the next one.